Everyone knows that quantum computing is an upcoming branch. It has a big scope, and especially in the field of computer science. Many people of computer science must be looking forward to quantum machine learning and would like to start their journey with this technology. But the big question is that everyone has: how to start, where to start, are there any prerequisites, do you need to learn physics or any basic mathematic tools like linear algebra, etc., etc. So let me tell you one thing: there is no need to learn special kind of physics, higher physics or mathematics. The very basic knowledge of computation, classical computation, like what is a bit, how a bit addition works, only that needs to be known for starting with quantum machine learning and quantum algorithms as well. Because let me tell you one thing: quantum machine learning is not a big deal in today's world. You can directly copy paste the codes on sites like PennyLane and GitHub, where the algorithms and the quantum machine learning codes are directly given. It is same as copying a code from scikit-learn or sklearn in short, which we all use. We just write a code, we pre-process the data and put a algorithm's short line from sklearn, for example k-means or linear regression. We don't write a complete code. Same as with quantum machine learning in today's world. You can directly copy the codes from these sites like PennyLane and Qiskit. But it would be a little stupid thing to write a code without knowing the background, what is actually happening inside the computer, why quantum machine learning is trying to, or you may say it could dominate classical computing in future. That needs to be known before doing all these things. So this is a YouTube series that I'm starting. I'm a computer science student and I know how computer science is taught in Indian colleges, what kind of knowledge Indian students have. So stay tuned with the channel. I request only one or two things with you. Please do clarify your doubts whenever you have it. Don't pile it on, because if you get a doubt and you don't clarify it, it might carry on for a long time and later you might not grasp things in this field. As a lot of YouTube videos are not available, you might not be able to find it online, so it is better to ask it in the comment section. It would help others also to clarify their doubts, because some people might feel shy or might hesitate in writing a comment, but if you write it, you might solve problem of many others. So I request that, and please stay tuned to the channel, subscribe it and follow the upcoming playlist, that is quantum computing from scratch. Welcome to the channel Quantized.